What's up guys, Mizo here. Today we're going to be unboxing and listening to Starsounds High Efficiency Pro Mid-Range Speaker. These speakers are available in 6.5 inch and have a rated frequency response of 90 Hz to 18 kHz. On first inspection, I noticed that they don't have speaker grills. I guess that's okay if you're going to be installing them in factory locations. The speaker has a shiny red center which my kid mentioned looks like a bullseye. It does when you think about it. I'm no fan of the speaker terminal layout. The rest of the speaker is rather well built, rather well assembled. The cone is lightweight and attached to a W-shaped surround. What I like about this is it tells you the speaker has the ability to play mid-bass, which gives it a fuller sound. This is confirmed by inspecting the damper and paying attention to how much travel it allows for. Last came my favorite part, the installation and listening. We disconnected the tweeters and powered the speakers off 2 channels of our 699 Rand 4-channel amplifier. These speakers got loud, as in people staring at you uncomfortably loud. Judging from the claimed frequency response, I expected more mid-bass than it delivered, but maybe that would improve as the speaker runs in. If you didn't know any better, you'd swear there were a set of tweeters connected. Tweeter or not, I wouldn't think twice to swap out most OEM speakers with a set of these if you have a subwoofer installed in your car. I will post a separate video of how it sounded, so look out for that. As always, thanks for watching. Please feel free to like and subscribe to our channel. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.